How to backup Instagram chat after deleting. Here's a step-by-step guide. To start off, open the Instagram app on your device. Now click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top right. Here select Account Center at the top. Once inside, under the account settings, choose your information and permission. Furthermore, select Download your information to begin the process. From here, tap on Download or Transfer information. Afterward, choose some of your information. Here scroll down and only select the box next to Messages and tap Next. Moreover, choose your date range, your file format, and your media quality. Once everything is set, hit Create File to submit your download request. It might take few minutes for the file to be ready. Once the file has been created, you can open the file and back up all your deleted messages, and with this step, you can now back up Instagram chat after deleting.